Most people think making money online takes months of grinding, building an audience, or learning some expensive skill. They think you need a following, a website, or years of experience before anyone will pay you. But that was true in 2020. In 2026, the game has completely changed. Right now, AI tools have created a massive opportunity for regular people to make real money online, faster than ever before. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make your first $1,000 online using nothing but AI tools and a few hours of your time. 3 methods. Real tools. Real numbers. No fluff. And I'm going to break each one down step by step so you can start today. Let's get into it. Before we dive in, let me be real with you for a second. This is not a get-rich-quick video. You're not going to watch this and wake up with $1,000 tomorrow. What I'm giving you is a legitimate roadmap, tested methods that are working right now in 2026, and the AI tools that make each one faster and easier than it has ever been before. The people winning online right now are not necessarily the most talented. They're the ones who move fast, use the right tools, and actually execute. So let's talk about how you do that. Method 1 is AI freelance writing, and this is the fastest path to your first $1,000. Here's the thing most people don't realize. There are thousands of businesses right now that need written content every single week. Blog posts, email newsletters, website copy, LinkedIn posts, product descriptions. The demand is enormous, and most of these businesses don't have time to write it themselves. So they go to Fiverr, they go to Upwork, they search for writers and they pay them. Blog posts go for $50 to $300 each. Email sequences go for $200 to $500. LinkedIn ghostwriting retainers run $500 to $1,500 a month. This is real money being spent every single day. Now here's where AI changes everything. You don't need to be a great writer to offer these services. You need to be a great prompter. Your job is to understand what the client needs, feed the right information into Claude or ChatGPT, review the output, edit it for quality, and deliver it. That's it. Let me show you exactly how this works. A client wants a 1,500-word blog post about the top productivity tools for remote teams. You open Claude, you give it the topic, the target audience, the tone, and any specific points they want covered. Claude gives you a solid first draft in about 30 seconds. You spend 15 minutes editing, personalizing, and polishing it. You deliver it. You get paid. The tool stack for this method is simple. Claude AI for drafting. It's the best for long-form content right now. Hemingway Editor to check readability and clean up any sentences that are too complex. And Grammarly to catch any errors before you send it to the client. To get your first clients, create a Fiverr profile today. Write a clear description of what you offer. Set your starting price at $50 for a short blog post. Deliver fast, get your first review, and raise your prices. Or go to Upwork and search for writing jobs posted in the last 24 hours and start sending proposals. The math is simple. 10 articles at $100 each is $1,000. That's 10 clients, or one client who needs 10 pieces of content a month. Both are very achievable in your first 30 days. Method 2 is digital products, and this one is my favorite because you do the work once and get paid forever. Here's the concept. People will pay for information and tools that save them time or solve a specific problem. And right now, one of the hottest things selling on platforms like Gumroad and Etsy is AI prompt packs and templates. Think about it. Someone is a real estate agent and they want to use AI to write their property listings, their social media posts, and their client emails. But they have no idea how to prompt it. They would absolutely pay $15 or $20 for a pack of 50 done-for-you prompts built specifically for real estate agents. That's a no-brainer purchase for them. The same goes for fitness coaches, photographers, lawyers, teachers, Etsy sellers, Amazon FBA sellers. Every niche has people who want to use AI but don't know how. You are the bridge. Here's how you build your first product. Pick a niche you know something about, or one you're willing to spend a few hours researching. Use Claude to help you generate 50 high-quality prompts for that niche. Ask Claude to think about every task someone in that niche does on a daily basis and build a prompt for each one. Then organize them into categories, write short instructions for each prompt, and you have your product. Now use Canva to design a clean, professional-looking PDF. You don't need to be a designer. Canva has hundreds of templates. Keep it simple, make it look polished, add your Outprompt branding, and export it as a PDF. Then list it on Gumroad. Write a clear title, a compelling description that explains exactly what the buyer gets, and set your price between $15 and $30. Share it on Reddit in relevant subreddits, post about it on TikTok or YouTube Shorts showing a preview of the prompts, and let it start selling. The math here is beautiful. A $20 product sold to 50 people is $1,000. And those 50 sales can happen over weeks or months completely passively. You could be sleeping and making money. That's the power of digital products. And once you have one product, you can make another. Then another. Some creators are making $5,000 to $10,000 a month just from a small catalog of AI prompt packs. Start with one, see what happens, and build from there. Method 3 is AI social media management, and this is the one most people completely overlook. Here's the reality. There are millions of small businesses in the US alone. Restaurants, gyms, salons, boutiques, contractors, real estate agents, chiropractors. And almost every single one of them knows they need to be posting on social media. But they don't have time. They don't know what to post. And they definitely don't want to learn how to use Canva or figure out hashtags. So they either do nothing or they pay someone to handle it for them. That someone can be you. Here's how to land your first client. Walk into 3 local businesses this week. Not email, walk in. Talk to the owner. Tell them you help small businesses grow their social media using AI so they never have to think about it. Show them your phone. Show them an example of content you could make for them. Offer them a free week to try it out. Once they see the quality and consistency of what you deliver, closing them at $300 to $500 a month is easy. Because the alternative for them is hiring a part-time social media person, which costs 10 times more. Now, here's how you deliver using AI. Every month, sit down for 2 to 3 hours per client. Use Claude to generate a full 30-day content calendar. Captions, hashtags, post ideas, everything. Ask Claude to write in the voice and tone of that specific business. Feed it information about their products, their audience, their location, their promotions. The output will be specific, relevant, and ready to post. Then load everything into Publer, which is a social media scheduling tool, and schedule all 30 days of content in one session. That client is handled for the month. You move to the next one. 3 clients at $350 each is $1,050 a month. Every month. Recurring revenue. And as you get better and faster with the AI tools, you can take on more clients without working more hours. This method also has a huge upsell opportunity. Once a client trusts you with their social media, you can offer to run their Google Ads, manage their email list, or build them a simple website. One small business client can easily turn into $1,000 a month on its own. Now let me give you one more bonus tip that applies to all 3 of these methods. The secret weapon is speed. Most freelancers and service providers are slow. They take days to respond to clients, weeks to deliver work, and months to follow up. AI lets you be the opposite of that. You can respond in minutes, deliver in hours, and follow up automatically. That speed and reliability is worth more to a client than almost anything else. It's why they come back. It's why they refer their friends. And it's how you go from $1,000 to $3,000 to $5,000 a month without adding more hours to your week. So here's your action plan. Pick one of these 3 methods today. Not all 3, just one. Set a goal of making your first $100 before you even think about scaling. Once you hit $100, hitting $1,000 is just a matter of repeating what worked. AI doesn't replace the hustle. It just makes the hustle a whole lot faster. And the people who figure that out right now are going to be miles ahead of everyone else in 2 years. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. I drop a new video every single week with real AI tools, real strategies, and zero fluff. all built for entrepreneurs and side hustlers who are serious about building something. And drop a comment below. Which of these 3 methods are you going to try first? I read every single comment and I'll give you personalized advice on whichever one you pick. I'll see you in the next one.